I finally stopped running now. With you, I
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all like, girl, where the cooking videos been? What are we getting ready to watch now? Well, y'all, I'm sorry I've been super busy. But in today's video, I'm going to just show you all a couple of things that I have been making. Some of the stuff has been in cooking videos, others have not. But I'm just going to show you some meal ideas that you all can do. So before we jump into this video, go ahead and hit a like for your girl. Turn on your subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Join a family so you'll be notified of any time I post. This morning, y'all, I have been turned into Miss Smoothie Queen. I made a smoothie, and in this cup, I used yogurt, peaches, raspberries, blueberries, pineapple, and mango, a little bit of milk, orange juice, and apple juice. I put that in my magic bullet, and baby, when I tell y'all, it's so good. I've been drinking smoothies every morning. Y'all know I do the TLC products. So in the morning, I take a shot of the NutriBurst. Then I take NRG and the Gano tablets. I open those gel caplets up, pour them into the smoothie, and bam, this is breakfast. So y'all gotta make y'all smoothies. Comment below and let me know if y'all make smoothies in the morning. But let's get on to this next extra easy meal, y'all. One morning I got up in the morning and I was like, girl, you better get in there and fry some wings. So these are lemon pepper wings. You can make your lemon pepper butter mixture with just butter, lemon juice, garlic pepper, or you can buy some lemon pepper seasoning. But y'all, these were super duper delicious. Okay, this was a beef back ribs I made one day, y'all, and when I tell y'all, talk about meat falling off the bone, my mama made some homemade potato salad and I paired it with some baked beans, y'all. When I tell y'all, get some beef back ribs and thank me later. These turned out freaking delicious, and you know, if I say freaking delicious, they were freaking delicious. Okay, and then the next thing, this was a broccoli cheddar bake, which I did post on my channel, but it's super easy. I use cream of mushroom soup, white rice, and then I put frozen broccoli. I sauteed the chicken with some onions, baked it in the oven, and baby, somebody's son, where you at? Somebody's son. Okay, this was so freaking good. And then this, of course, is what I made on Thanksgiving. This is 5 cheese mac and cheese. I'm so proud of myself. This was my first time making cheese sauce, and this turned out freaking delicious. Like, I had just pulled this out of the oven. It was so freaking good. Like, I was so proud of myself. This was all the stuff I made on Thanksgiving, but y'all, the mac and cheese was good. Look at that crispiness around the edge. Cool, y'all. Let me tell you. And then I cooked some greens. I took my time, pulled the smoked turkey wing off the smoked turkey, whatever, y'all know what I'm trying to say. But this is what I had. These were some of my sides for Thanksgiving, and they turned out freaking delicious again. And for those that have a sweet tooth, the most easiest recipe you can make is cheesecake. I used 2 boxes of Philadelphia cheesecake. This is a store-bought graham cracker crust. 2 boxes of cheesecake. You mix it with egg, vanilla, and my secret ingredient is putting a little bit of lemon juice, and of course you put the sugar in there. But y'all, this was freaking amazing, y'all. I'm not playing. Like, it was so good. And y'all, my all-time favorite meal, which pairs and tastes so good together, is fried cabbage. My mama told me how to make it. It's super easy. All you need is butter, season your cabbage, and that's that. I ate it with some sweet potatoes, and y'all, these were bomb, and the cornbread was extra delicious. It was freaking amazing. And then I paired it with my favorite cornbread, which was so good. Like, there's somebody's son. Like, I mean, what are you waiting on? I'm wifey material. Like, snatch me up before somebody else do, okay? But y'all, I'm so serious. And the final thing I've been making These are my Crustless Keyshot. I call them little egg McMuffins. I had some turkey in the refrigerator, like some lunch meat. I had a little bit of spinach that I didn't want to go bad. I sauteed that with some bell peppers and some onions. And then in a separate bowl, I whipped my eggs and my milk, combined them, sprayed my muffin tin with some cooking spray. Oh, and I had put some bacon in there too. Y'all, when I tell y'all this is so good, like these are a perfect like power meal, or if you just need a snack. So yes, y'all, let me know if y'all like this video. Let me know if you're gonna try anything in this video. And I just thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting, and I will see y'all later.